Maayong adlaw mga higala. For today, we will be doing frozen Brazo de Mercedes. Okay? For the ingredients, we have, for the crust, we have the grahams and the butter. And then I have here mango ice cream. Tapos, for the meringue, we have egg white, cream of tartar, and your sugar. And for the custard layer, we have condensed milk, egg yolks, and cornstarch. Okay? So, we have 4 layers of frozen Brazo de Mercedes. Let's start with the crust. Okay? So, I have here, pangbahay, pwede yung Pyrex na bilog or any malaking, what do you call this one? Dish na pwede. But for me, I want like this para at least pwede nyo siya ibenta. Okay? So, for the crust, you mix first your grahams and your melted butter. Tabi muna natin to para ma-focus si crust. Yan. And then, divide natin into 4 like this. If you want manipis, kasya siya into 5. But if you want medyo kapalan konti yung crust, tama lang yung 4. But don't put too much ha. Huwag masyadong makapal. And then, gamitan natin ng kutsara. Okay, so chill this one. You chill your crust around mga 5 minutes. Okay? Yan. Chill natin. Next layer, let's proceed to the custard. Okay? Guys, pwede munahin si custard. Pwede rin si ice cream. So, depende sa'yo. Okay? So, pwede crust, ice cream, and then custard. Pero, lutuin na natin si custard kasi si ice cream ready na eh. Okay? Let's cook the custard. In your saucepan, mix the ingredients. Your egg yolk, condensed milk, and cornstarch. Cook your custard until mag-sticky siya. So, transfer your custard sa bowl para mas mabilis mag-cool down. Set aside para layer na yan. And then, let's get the crust. Yan. So, here's your crust. After 5 minutes, yan. Matigas na yan. So, let's proceed to the second layer from the bottom. Crust and then ice cream. Pwedeng ube ha, na ice cream. Pwedeng mangga. Huwag naman yung vanilla kasi wala masyadong, wala lang, ayoko lang. Walang color masyado. Kailangan medyo malambot na yung ice cream. So, the moment you buy it, huwag mo na i-chill. I mean, i-freeze. After the crust and the ice cream layer, di ba? Tapos nagawa na natin si custard, palamig lang natin. Let's go to the meringue layer, yung top part niya. So, if you have KitchenAid or stand mixer, use your whisk attachment. And then, mix first or whip first your egg white, tsaka si cream of tartar. Whip mo until frothy, and then you slowly add your granulated sugar. And then whip it until medium stiff. And until medium stiff lang ha. And then, i-bake ko siya here. Yung iba, yung style nila, bake nila sa cookie sheet tapos pipe. Ako mas gusto ko dito. This one is bigger than the foil nito. Kasi later, pag na-bake sa meringue, lumiliit siya. Okay, so kailangan, mas gusto ko yung mas malaki. Kasi the moment magliit siya, kasya pa rin, sakto pa rin. I don't like yung may mga spaces sa sides. So later, I'll show you. Magigets niyo kung anong ibig kong sabihin. Okay, let's bake. Mas maganda kung mas manipisan na to. Kaso, I only have this. So, gagamitin natin. Then, after you spread, use fork para at least parang may design siya. Okay. Tapos, bake. Bake this one around mga 8 to 10 minutes. Okay? Yan, after mga 10 minutes, kunin na natin si meringue. It's baked already. Then, palamig muna natin. Bakit may okay? So, until light brown color. Palamig natin and then let's get na the other layers or any of the yung crust na may ice cream. Yan. So, this is my crust. Yung dalawang layer crust and the ice cream. Tapos, lagay na natin si custard. Yan, add confectioner's sugar. There you have it, our frozen Brazo de Mercedes. Okay? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!